handtruckstogo.com. Count on us to keep you rolling.
Vestal Manufacturing now offers two versions of our pallet buster. The first is the standard pallet buster. This lightweight and easy-to-use tool allows for quick and safe disassembly of broken and unsightly pallets. Units feature a unique dual prying action with the nail puller. These versatile standard pallet busters can also be used for dockboard removal. Vestal is also proud to offer a new deluxe pallet buster. This heavy-duty unit features an articulating head that gently removes pallet boards without breaking or splitting the wood. Once removed, the boards may be reused if desired. The deluxe pallet buster boasts a 41-inch long powder coat blue handle that provides leverage for easy operation. Once again, this product has multiple uses, including breaking down decks, docks, and similar structures. For the safe and efficient disassembling of pallets, ask your distributor today for more information on Vestal Manufacturing's standard or deluxe pallet busters.
If you have any questions, please feel free to call us toll-free at 888-811-5941. Okay, that's it for now. This is Bob again, thanking you for stopping by handtruckstogo.com and wishing you a great day.